18% move in Bitcoin is just another day for Bitcoin, right? What are we seeing in the latest round of volatility?
Yeah, for experienced investors in the coin, a lot of new investors, however, have never seen this kind of dust up. As you mentioned, another stomach-turning ride for investors because the extreme volatility that we saw last week intensified, just carried through the weekend where we saw moves in double digits almost either way. As we recall, it was last Wednesday alone that the price swings were at least 30% in either direction. Of course, one of the kickoffs to this latest round of volatility had to do with Elon Musk tweeting that he was no longer going to accept Bitcoin as payment for his cars. We also had the Chinese government talking about a crackdown, a warning they reiterated on Friday, which intensified the slide, reiterating a warning that it intends to crack down on crypto mining as part of an effort to control financial risk. Now, Musk tweeted over the weekend that he supports crypto in the battle against fiat currencies, saying he believes that's the true battle. But this HUOBI news that's now crossing has renewed some of the selling. If we go into the Bloomberg, you can see it's been one of the worst weeks and therefore months for Bitcoin. To put it in perspective, though, while we have seen Bitcoin down as much as 50% from its peak, it is still up more than 25% just in the past year. And Dogecoin, which was begun as a joke, also down some 15% at one point from its May peak, is up several thousand-fold from where it began. And so as many investors are repelled by the volatility, it is those kind of gains that's retracting so many on the retail level, which the experts say is some of the most recent speculation we're seeing.
So, Sue, tell us a little bit more about the move by HUOBI and a possible fix in the works for the energy use issue.
Yeah, well, let's start with HUOBI because what we're hearing, and this is a report coming out of CoinDesk, which says it got it directly from the crypto exchange. It says that HUOBI is scaling back many of its products in some markets, and that's following the warning from the Chinese government that it would crack down on cryptocurrency mining. It is suspending miner hosting in mainland China. It, however, will not be stopping the sale of crypto mining machines. Again, all of that according to CoinDesk. Meanwhile, as we know, what really kicked off a lot of the concerns which Elon Musk put forward were the energy use of many cryptocurrencies, mainly Bitcoin. Users and developers of a big rival to Bitcoin, which we've seen perform a lot better in recent weeks, is Ethereum, otherwise known as Ether. And users and developers now say that several recent breakthroughs will finally enable them to drastically cut energy use in a year or less. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum operate using what's called a proof-of-work system that requires a global network of computers running around the clock. And a lot of people say for Ethereum, there's a closer fix at hand.